Daddy
and
Kittens!
Today we will visit a building site. So hard hat on and let's go! A hard hat protects your head from injury. What is it? Excavator, yes! The excavator digs a hole and throws the dirt into a dump truck. Here comes the dump truck. This place is a building site. Keep the safety distance. And don't watch a bright light. Hello!
Front no door. Concrete mixer.
Yes, this truck is a concrete mixer, and this is the concrete.
Crane truck.
Here is the seat of the crane operator. And this high machine is...
Crane.
Yes, that's the crane. After the break, builders will go back to work. They will use bricks to build a new building. Also, they will use the sand. This is the sand. Oh, so dirty. Blech. But the most important is cement. Water plus sand plus cement equals concrete. Builders use many tools to get work done. But every good builder never forgets their gloves.
Forklift.
A forklift can lift and move heavy objects to another location. Watch your head! Builders use scaffolding to support a work crew and materials. The building site is very noisy, so you have to protect your ears. Safety cones warn of the dangerous area, so don't enter this zone. That's it for today. Bye bye! What happened?
Daddy, where's your hard hat?
I forget put on. Oh, yeah.
Sponsored by IQ English.